G'day, this is a small parcel of pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. They're a little bit lower grade these, and it's reasonably priced. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, white. There's the reflection of the lights. Just gone in a little bit so you can see each piece a bit clearer. Basically potch and colour this deal. Quite a nice bit of colour in there. What it turns out, I don't know. I'm not going to do every piece in this parcel. Some better than others. You need a couple of these to pay for the parcel. There's nice black crystal through there. Getting the green, blue fire showing through there. Bit of colour there on the left hand side. Anyway, I think you've got an idea. That's multicoloured bar through there, pinks, green. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.